Hi, I'm Derek, and today we're going to be reading One Saturday Evening by Barbara Baker. Mama. One Saturday evening, everyone finished eating dinner. That was good, Mama said. But now I have a lot of work to do. Mama got up from the table. She began to work. She washed all the dishes. Then she washed the table. Then she washed the floor. Then she washed Jack. No, said Jack. Yes, said Mama. Papa came into the kitchen. It is nice and clean in here, he said. Yes, it is, said Mama. I washed all the dishes and the table and the floor and Jack. Are you finished? Said Papa. No, said Mama. There is one more thing I want to wash. Mama went into the bathroom. She closed the door. She filled the tub with warm water. Just right, she said. Mama got into the bathtub. She washed her hands and her face and her arms and her feet. Then she lay back in the warm water. Ah, said Mama, that feels good. The bathroom was quiet and peaceful. Mama was happy. Mama loved Saturday evenings. Lily. I want to take a bath all by myself, said Lily. But Lily, said Mama, you always take a bath with Rose and Daisy. No more, said Lily. I am big now. I can take a bath all by myself. Mama looked at the big bathtub. She looked at Lily. Okay, said Mama. Then Mama helped Lily get into the tub. You can go now, said Lily. So Mama left. Lily was all by herself in the big bathtub. First, she sat at one end of the tub. Then she sat at the other end. Then she sat in the middle. She put her face in the water and blew bubbles. Then she played with all the bath toys. Lily made waves in the water with her hands. Lily, Mama called. Are you done yet? Almost, said Lily, but I need a little help. Mama came back. She helped Lily wash her face, and her arms, and her feet, and her back. Then Mama helped Lily out of the tub. She gave Lily a big towel. Lily dried her face and her hands. Then Mama dried the rest of Lily. All done, said Mama. Lily put on her pajamas. You did a good job, said Mama. Yes, said Lily. I am big now. I like taking a bath all by myself. Rose. Rose loved bath time. She liked to splash. She liked to swim. And she liked to sing in a loud, loud voice. Rose, said Mama, do you have to be so wild? Wild, 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 sang Rose. Then Rose dumped a cup of water on Daisy's head. Mama, cried Daisy. Mama helped Rose out of the bathtub. Water was everywhere. Then Mama helped Rose dry off. Rose ran to Papa. "Look, Papa," she said, "I am nice and clean." Papa was reading a quiet book to Jack. "Shh," said Papa. "Jack is getting sleepy." "I am not sleepy," said Rose. "I am nice and clean and wide awake." "I can see that," said Papa. "Down," said Jack. Now Jack was not sleepy. Papa put Jack down. Daisy and Lily came running. "Grrr," said Rose. "I am a big wild monster." Soon everyone was running and screaming. "Rose," said Papa, "you are too wild." Rose came over to Papa. She got up on his lap. "I am nice and clean, Papa," she said. "Yes," said Papa. "You smell as sweet as a rose." "A wild rose," said Rose. Lily and Daisy and Jack were still playing. "Read to me, Papa," said Rose. So Papa read a quiet story to his sweet, wild Rose. Said Rose. "Nice." Daisy. Daisy was playing with her baby doll. Papa was reading a book to Lily and Rose. And Mama was putting Jack to bed. "No, no, no," cried Jack. He was making a big fuss. "My baby does not make a big fuss," said Daisy. "My baby is good." Daisy sang a little song to her baby. "Now it is time for bed, baby," said Daisy. Daisy put her baby's doll's pajamas on. Then she tucked her into her little bed. "Night, night," said Daisy. The baby doll went right to sleep. "Look, Papa," said Daisy. "My baby is sleeping. My baby is very good." "Yes," said Papa. "Now it is time for all of you to go to bed." "No, no, no," called Jack. Papa closed the book. "I am not tired," said Lily. "I am not tired," said Rose. Papa looked at Daisy. "No, no, no," cried Daisy. Jack. Jack was in his crib. He was not happy. "Up, up," he said. "It is time to go to sleep, Jack," said Mama. "No," said Jack. "Up." Mama tucked Jack in. She gave Jack a good night kiss. Then she left. "Up, up," called Jack. But Mama did not come back. So Jack got busy. He pushed. He pulled. He climbed. And finally, Jack was up and out and down. Now, Jack was happy. Later, Papa came in to give Jack a goodnight kiss. "Oh dear," said Papa. Jack was not in his crib. Jack was under his crib. He was asleep. Papa picked him up. He put him in this crib. "Up," said Jack. Papa. Papa loved to read. Lily and Rose and Daisy and Jack were in bed. Mama was making cocoa. And Papa was reading a good book. "Someday," said Papa, "I will write a book. Someday, when I am not busy." "You are not busy right now," said Mama. "This would be a good time for you to begin." Mama got a paper and a pen. She gave them to Papa. Papa picked up the pen. Once upon a time, he wrote. Then he stopped. I do not know what to write about, said Papa. I do, said Mama. You could write about wild animals. No, said Papa. Or you could write about monsters. No, said Papa. How about a ghost story, said Mama. No, said Papa. Your ideas are good, he said, but I have a better one. Then Papa gave the paper and pen to Mama. This is my idea, he said. You can write a story, and I will finish reading my book. Papa poured some cocoa for Mama and some cocoa for himself. They sat down together. Mama began to write. Papa took a sip of his cocoa. He opened his good book. Ah, said Papa. Papa loved Saturday evenings. The end. I hope you enjoyed this book.